So I'll tell you a little bit about this guitar. It's a built in 1968 Rickenbacker guitar. I bought it right at the end of 1968. So I'd made a bunch of changes to the guitar. I changed their whammy bar on Rickenbacker had a pretty dreadful system, and I put a Bigsby on it, and all you guitar lovers know how good that is. I put a humbucker pickup on the Rickenbacker guitar, because that's a guy on his way to a Les Paul, you might say. I changed that tone knob they had here. It was a dumb thing, so I turned it into a master volume. And so when I'd gotten all done, I decided it was really not a Rickenbacker anymore, so I hand-painted my Acme guitar sign right on there. Well, the reason this guitar played on, a lot of those hits like Green River and Traveling Band and, Down on the Corner. There was a bunch of them in there. And then the guitar went missing for 44 years. I didn't have it. A couple years ago, my dear wife found this guitar out in the hinterlands and surprised me and put it under a Christmas tree, and I got my baby back. Now, oh, come on. This is the guitar I played at Woodstock! And I, with all these cool guitars that there are here in the museum, I thought maybe I should bring this thing up here because it means so much to me. After that adventure, I went home and I wrote this song.
On the ground, put me through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who stopped the rain. But I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm, and caught up in the fable. I watched the tower grow. Bobby plans a new deed, rusty golden chain. And I wonder, still I wonder, who stopped the rain. Singers playing, how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together and trying to keep